Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to debug code with DeepSeek AI step by step. If your program has errors, isn't working correctly, or you're not sure what's causing the problem, DeepSeek can help you identify bugs, explain the issues, and even suggest corrected code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, this feature can save you a lot of time and make debugging much easier. So let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if needed. Once you're on the main chat page, click New Chat to start a new conversation. Now copy and paste the code that's causing problems into the message box. Before the code, type the prompt, find and fix the errors in this code. Then click the Send button or press Enter. DeepSeek will analyze your code and identify any syntax errors, logical mistakes, or other issues. It will usually provide a corrected version of the code, along with suggestions for fixing the problem. Next, if you'd like to understand the mistakes, type Explain what was wrong with the code. DeepSeek will describe the errors in simple language, making it easier to learn from them. You can also ask DeepSeek to improve your code by typing Optimize this code for better performance. It may suggest cleaner, faster, or more efficient code while keeping the same functionality. Once you're satisfied with the corrected code, simply copy it and use it in your project or code editor. As you can see, DeepSeek makes debugging faster and easier by helping you find errors, understand them, and improve your code with just a few prompts. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.